Hi boys and girls, welcome back to math. Today we're going to do lesson 12.6, metric units of length. Meters, m, decimeters, dm, centimeters, cm, and millimeters, mm, are all metric units of length. You can use a ruler and a meter stick to find out how these units are related. So we're going to use a meter stick and a ruler, which are below. So let's take a look at step 1. Look at the meter ruler. Most look like the one below. 1 centimeter. So as you see from the edge of the ruler to 1 is 1 centimeter. In between, the little dashes in between each centimeter is 1 millimeter. The short marks between each centimeter mark show millimeters. 1 centimeter has the same length as a group of 10 millimeters. So 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. Let's take a look at step 2. Look at the meter stick. Most look like the one below. Here's our meter stick. So this whole thing is 1 meter. From 1 to 10 is 1 decimeter. That's this space here. 1 decimeter has the same length as a group of 10 centimeters. So 1 dm, or decimeter, equals 10 cm, 10 centimeters. Let's look at step 3. Use the ruler and meter stick to compare metric units of length. So this is going to be important. This is going to help us solve the problems below. So let's take a look. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. 1 meter is 10 decimeters. 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeters. And 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Now, many of you might know the trick. If not, I'm going to show it to you now. So, in order to remember all of these conversions, I'm going to show you King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. So, when we start with K, king, or kilo, it is the largest. As we move down, they become smaller. So K for kilo, hecto, deca, our base unit, which is U, deci, centi, and milli. So we're really working on deci, centi, and milli. To convert to a smaller unit, move the decimal point to the right, or multiply. So as we go from deci to centi, we notice that there's a 0 in the tenths place. As we go from centi to milli, we know that there are 2 zeros and then the 1. Let's try some together. Let's work on number 1. 3 meters equals blank decimeters. And I'm going to use my chart up here to help us. So I know that 1 meter equals 10 decimeters. And that says it right up here. 1 meter equals 10 decimeters. So I need to think. I know 1 times 3 equals 3. So 1 meter to 3 meters, I multiplied by 3. So I need to multiply 10 decimeters by 3, and it gives me 30. So 3 meters equals 30 decimeters. You may remember doing this from when we did our conversions for liquid volume. Let's take a look at number 2. 5 meters equals blank centimeters. So I'm going to use my conversion 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. We have that right up here. So I need to think 1 times 5 equals 5. So from getting from 1 meter to 5 meters, I multiplied by 5. So now I need to do the same for centimeters. whatever I do on one side of the equal sign, I must do on the other. So, 100 times 5 equals 500. So 5 meters is 500 centimeters. Let's continue. Number 3. 4 centimeters equals blank millimeters. I'm going to use my conversion. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Also found up here. So I need to think, how did I get from 1 centimeter to 4 centimeters? I did that by multiplying 1 times 4 equals 4. Whatever I did on this side of the equal sign, I need to do on this side. So I'm going to multiply 10 times 4 equals 40. So 4 centimeters is 40 millimeters. Let's take a look at the last problem. Number 4. 9 decimeters equals blank centimeters. I know 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeters. Right up here. So 1 times 9 equals 9. I need to multiply 10 times 9, which is 90. So 9 decimeters equals 90 centimeters. Be sure to study your conversion chart. It'll help you answer all of the questions.